from India to mark India's 75th independent year from British colonialism. The authorities released the 75 steps actions across 7 categories of kept in sub-themes for discussion. They are water saving, single-use plastic, sustainable food systems, waste reduction, energy, e-waste, and healthy lifestyle. These active steps as a part of life mission will be practiced by all. From these 75 steps, we declare main points to implement is declaration meeting by routines. Thank you.
Speak a few words about our summit.
Hello everyone, I am from Spain. On behalf of the people of this tough nation, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Prime Minister of India for the invitation to attend to the G20 summit in New Delhi. We are honored to be here and to participate in this important forum for the global operation and environmental issues. The G20 is a vital platform for addressing the challenges facing the world today, such as climate changes and pollution and biodiversity loss. We believe that by working together, we can make a real difference in protecting our planet for future generations. We are committed to working with the host country and other G20 members to achieve common goals on the environment. We believe that by sharing experience and together we can make a better place for all. Thank you for our invitation. We look forward to productive and fruitful summit.
European Union, Charles Michael, I would like to say thank you for coming here. Welcome to G20.
Good morning everyone. I am Charles Michael from Europe. I am here today to talk to you about how wise consumers can help to protect the environment. As consumers, we have a lot of power to influence that way that business operates. When we wise choices about the products that we buy, we can help to reduce pollution, conserve resources and protect wildlife. Here are a few things that wise consumers can help to protect the environment. Buy less time, the less time we buy, the less pollution and waste we create. When we do need to buy something, try to buy it second hand from sustainable company. Choose sustainable products. There are many products on the market that are produced in recycled materials or that are produced in a sustainable way. When we choose these products, there are many products we are sending a message to business that we want them to produce a more sustainable products. Reduce, rescue and recycle. The 3 products are a great way to reduce our environmental impact. Reduce the amount of stuff that we buy, rescue product as much as possible and recycle products whenever possible. Support sustainable business. When we support sustainable business, we are helping to create a more sustainable economy. Look for business that are helping to create committed their environmental impact and that are using sustainable practices. Thank you for listening and thanks to India for giving a great opportunity.
To have you here, your positivity and encouragement brighten our day. Welcome to G20.
Hello everyone, I am from UK. Today I want to discuss about traditional knowledge system 3KS. Traditional knowledge systems 3KS are the knowledge, skills, practices that have been passed down from generation to generation within a community. They can include knowledge about plants, animals, the environment and the human body. 3KS can be used as a variety of purposes including medicine, agriculture and building construction. There is a growing body of evidence that TKS can be effective in treating medical conditions. For example, a study published in the journal Nature found that traditional Chinese medicine was effective in treating in the common cold. Another study published in the journal Frontiers in Pulmonology found that traditional Indian medicine was effective in treating on the asthma. TKS is often seen as a complementary or alternative medicine. This means it can be used as conjunction with conventional medicine or as a substitute for conventional medicine. There are many reasons why people choose to use TKS, including they believe that TKS is more natural and safer than conventional medicine. They believe that it is more effective in treating their condition. They refer conventional medicines. They have had bad experience with conventional medicine. Thank you for listening.
President of South Africa, thank you for being here. Welcome to G20.
Good morning everyone. I am from South Africa. First, I am thankful to our Narendra Modi to giving me opportunity to speak
and a wonderful welcome. I am here to today talk about the industry that are causing the most environment destruction. There are many industries that are contribute to environment destruction, but here are a few of the most harmful. First, the fossil fuel industry. Second, the agriculture industry. And third, the fishing industry. First of all, I want to talk about the agriculture industry. The agriculture industry is responsible for the production of food which requires the use of land, water and energy. Agriculture can also contribute to pollution and greenhouse gases. Emission, for example, livestock production is a major source of methane, a protein greenhouse gas. Then I want to talk about the fossil fuel industry. The fossil fuel industry is responsible for the extraction and production of oil, gas and coal, which are the major contribution to climate change. Climate change is already having a disastrous impact on the planet. And it's only going to get worse if we don't take action to reduce our reliance on fossil fuel. Last, I talk about the fishing industry. The fishing industry is responsible for the extraction of fish from the ocean, which can lead to overfishing and habitat destruction. Overfishing is a major threat to marine life, and it can also have a negative impact on the livelihood of people who depend on fishing for their income. Thank you for listening.
Any additional points you people want to include? Now, we discuss from fellow leaders.
Hello everyone, I am Foreign Minister of Argentina. However, there are steps that we can fight against plastic pollution. These include bringing our own reusable bags and utensils when shopping. Second point, avoiding personal care products with microbeads. Third point, recycling plastic when where possible and supporting business that are working to reduce plastic pollution. Fourth point, and invest in research and development of new technologies that can help us to reduce plastic pollution. Fifth point, by making small changes in our everyday lives, we can make a big difference in creating a greener and healthier planet for future generations. Thank you for your time.
Hello everyone, I am Foreign Minister of Australia. Additionally, here are a few more ways we can save water. Using a dishwater instead of hand washing dishes if possible. Washing full loads of laundry instead of partial loads. And rinsing fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water instead of ruining the faucet. Using a broom to clean our windows instead of hose. Letting our lawn go dormant during summer months and planting broad tolerant plants in our gardens. By following these steps, we can all contribute to saving water and protecting our planet for future generations. Thank you for listening.
Hi everyone, I am the Foreign Minister of Brazil. It's important to remember that waste management is everyone's responsibility. By making small changes in our daily life, we can make a significant difference in the amount of waste we produce. We can also support the businesses prioritize sustainable practices. Together we can create a more sustainable future for our planet. In addition to the three principles of waste management, we can support businesses that use sustainable practices and advocate for policies that promote waste reduction and recycling and educate others about the importance of waste management. These steps can make a significant difference in the waste against the waste, help to protect our planet of waste and future generation. Thank you for listening. Hello one and all. I am Foreign Minister of Canada. There are many things that we can do to conserve biodiversity. We can protect habitats. This includes setting aside land for national parks and other protected areas. Reduce our consumption of natural resources. This means eating less meat, driving less and wasting less food. Support sustainable agriculture. This means using methods that protect soil and water quality. biodiversity. Reduce pollution. This includes reducing our emissions of greenhouse gases and other pollutants. Educate others about the importance of biodiversity. By taking these steps, we can help to protect biodiversity and ensure a sustainable future for ourselves and for generation to come. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone. Foreign Minister of our country manage seed through activities such as exercise, yoga, meditation and the spending time in a nature. While adopting the healthy lifestyle may not be easy, it is definitely work. If by making small change to our daily habit, I can significantly improve our healthy and the well-being for many years to the game. In addition to the tips mentioned here are some more things you cannot do adopt a healthy lifestyle. Set realistic goals and start with the small changes that you can stick to the find a support system by surrounding yourself with the friend of the family members who are also interested in the adopting a healthy lifestyle. Make it enjoyable by the spending activities that you love and can sustain over the long trips. By taking these steps, we can also make the positive difference in our health and the well-being. Thank you for the listening.
Good morning everyone. I am Foreign Minister from Germany. So how can we adopt sustainable food system? Here are a few things that we can do. Eat less meat production is a major contributor to climate change and water pollution. By eating less meat, we can reduce our impact on the environment. Support local farmers. Local farmers produce food that is fresher and has a smaller environmental footprint. By supporting local farmers, we can help to create a more sustainable food system. By organic farming practices are better for the environment and the health of the workers. By buying organic food, we can support more sustainable farming practices, reduce food waste. One-third of all food producers for human consumption is wasted. By reducing food waste, we can reduce our impact on the environment and save money. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Finance Minister of Indonesia. Air dry your clothes. Using a dryer uses a lot of energy. Instead, hang your clothes to air dry. Dryless. If you can walk, bike or take public transportation instead of driving, you are saving energy. Use public transportation. If you cannot walk, bike or take public transportation, carpool and vanpool. By making small changes to your daily habits, we can make a big difference in saving energy. We can also support business that are committed to using renewable energy sources. Together we can make a difference in protecting your cloth for future generations. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I am from Foreign Minister of Mexico. Children, the elderly people with allergies or respiratory problems are especially vulnerable to the effects of food items. There are a number of things that we can do in our home. And done by opening windows and doors or by using fan or air purifier. Remove sources of pollution. This includes light, and walls. Choose products that are low cost. This includes paints, furniture, and cleaning products. Get home air quality tests. This can help you identify problems with IAQ in our home. By taking these steps, we can help to improve IAQ and protect our health. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I am Foreign Minister of Russia. Handmade laws in number of
destroyed, the plants and animals that live in them can no longer survive. Damage to ecosystem. Ecosystem are the communities of plants, animals that live in a particular area. Habitat loss can damage ecosystem, disrupting the delicate balance of nature, increasing risk of natural disaster. Habitat loss can increase the risk of natural disaster such as floods and landslides. This is because forests and other natural areas help to absorb rainwater and prevent flooding. Loss of cultural heritage. Many cultures are closely tied to their natural environment. Habitat loss can damage these cultures and their tradition. We need to take action to reduce habitat loss and protect biodiversity. Here are a few things that we can do. By taking these steps, we can all making a difference in protecting habitats and biodiversity. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I am from Foreign Minister of South Africa. The mining industry. The mining industry is responsible for the extraction of minerals and metals which can pollute the environment and contribute to deforestation. For example, mining can produce toxic waste. Water can suppress harm wildlife. The construction industry. The construction industry is responsible for the buildings of roads and other infrastructure which can pollute, lead to deforestation, habitat loss and pollution, carbon dioxide emissions. By taking these steps we can all make difference, reduce the environment impact of this industry and protecting our land from future generations. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I am Foreign Minister of UK. We are adding these points from our country. It is important to note that TKS is not always safe and effective. It is important to do your research and talk to a healthcare professional before using TKS. Here are some of the benefits of using traditional knowledge system and medicine. They are often more natural and safer than conventional medicine. They can be more effective in treating certain conditions. They are often more comfortable than conventional medicine. They can help to preserve traditional culture and knowledge. Overall, traditional knowledge system can be valuable tool for treating a variety of medicine conditions. However, it is important to do your research and talk to a healthcare professional before using TKS. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon everyone, I am from Europe. We are adding these points from our country. We get involved in your community. There are many ways to get involved in your community and help to protect the environment. You can volunteer for an environmental organization, attend a city council meeting, or write to your elected official about environmental. We should that the important to you by making wise choice about the products that we buy and the business that we support. We can make a big difference in protecting the environment. Thank you for listening and thanks to India for giving a great opportunity.
Now I invite our invited special guests from Singapore and Egypt. Speak a few words.
Hello everyone, I am President from Egypt. As the leader of a guest nation attending the G20, I would express my gratitude to the host country for the invitation in a formal and sincere way. I would start by thanking the host country for the opportunity to participate in the summit and hospitality. I would then highlight the importance of the G20 as a forum of global cooperation and for addressing the challenges facing the world today. I would also express my commitment to working with the host country and the G20 members to achieve common goals. We are committed to working with the host country and the other G20 common goals. We can make the world a better place for all. Thank you again for the invitation. We look forward to a product and fruitful summit.
Good afternoon everyone, I am from Singapore. I would also take the opportunity to highlight some of the specific areas where I believe my country can contribute to the G20 agenda on the environment. For example, I might mention our experience in developing renewable energy technologies or our commitment. I would also emphasize our willingness to work with the country to find solutions to common environmental problems by expressing my gratitude in a formal way and sincere way, and by highlighting the areas where my country can contribute. I hope to build a positive relationship in the host country. This would be essential for G20 other members. This would be essential for achieving our shared goals on the environmental problems. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
I am Finance Minister of India. 75 steps towards life. To mark India's 75th independent year from British colonialism, the authorities released a comprehensive list to 75 personal actions across 7 categories. These unique categories are thematically aligned to global sustainability, namely water saving, single-use plastic, sustainable food systems, waste reduction, energy, e-waste, and healthy lifestyle. These active steps as a part of life mission will be easy to practice by all groups, individuals, and organizations with lesser co-dependence on resources. They are specific and measurable and are highly non-discretionary to day-to-day economic activities. The motive is to aware people across the nation to adopt these steps collectively in order to join the climate change fight. The list of actions are as follows. Energy save. Use plastic transport wherever is possible. Use bicycle for local or short commute. Water save. Adopt cultivation or less water intensive crops like millet. Creative rainwater harvesting infrastructure in home or school or offices. Use drip irrigation systems created with waste materials wherever possible. Single-use plastic save. Use cloth bags for shopping instead of plastic bags. Carry your own water bottle wherever possible. Use menstrual cups instead of sanitary napkins. Sustainable food systems adopted. Compost food waste at home. Create kitchen gardens or terrace gardens at homes or schools or offices. Prefer locally available and seasonal foods. Thank you.
Okay, fellow readers, from our discussions that points add to your tabs, those points will go to declaration from you. Please vote for them.
Good morning, one and all. I am External Affairs of India. Under the life mission of 21 days challenges of Day 1, carry a non-plastic bottle while sleeping out of the home. Day 2, use a cloth bag for grocery shopping instead of a plastic bag. Day 3, use stairs instead of an elevator. Day 4, donate old books and clothes. Day 5, practice degradation with wet and waste trays at the home. Day 6, switch off the appliance from the plug when it is not in use. Day 7, use the public transport. Day 8, switch off the vehicles at the railway crossing and the signals. Day 9, plant the trees to reduce the impact of the pollution. Day 10, feed unused and uncooked leftovers to cattle, pigs and switch animals. Day 11, rinse out the every pots and pans while before washing them. Day 12, use the steel and recyclable water bottles and lunch boxes. Day 12, cut the packaging bags for use of the plastic items. Day 14, defrost the fridge and freezer regularly. Day 15, create school, kitchen and terrace garden. Day 16, use the plastic waste to clean and watering plants. Day 18, set printer to default double-side printing. Day 19, encourage herbs and indigenous plants. They jointly participate in mobilized participation to serve Srinagar, tribes, cities, and water bodies. The 21 slowly gathers in Manira's cycle beams. Thank you.
For giving presidency to our country, it's a pride moment of us. We ensure that global economic cooperation to rebuild our nation's pride. Thank you one and all who are accompanying the summit to make grand success. Next, this presidency will hand over the leader, our Brazil. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Such a great performance of all of you. Now I request our Sarpanch sir, please speak a few words for students.
లేదు కాబట్టి మాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం రాదు కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్ అంత మాట్లాడలేము, అర్థం చేసుకోగలుగుతాము. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క ఇటువంటి మోడల్ సబ్మిట్ అంటే ఇంకా రాబోయే నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ జరుగుతుంది. బట్ తడలో మాత్రం ఇప్పుడే జరిగినట్టు మీటింగ్ ఉంది మన ఇండియా వైడ్. ఈ యొక్క దీని వెనకాల ఉన్న కృషి మీ అందరూ ఉంటుంది. మేడం అట్లా ఒకరి పేరు చెప్పి మళ్ళీ బాధపడవచ్చు కాబట్టి అందరూ హెచ్ఎం గారికి అదేవిధంగా ఎలయ్య గారికి పాత్రి లీడర్ ఎలయ్య గారికి అదేవిధంగా కస్తూరయ్య గారికి మరి ఇంత ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన వీళ్ళు జీవిస్తున్నారు అనమాట. వాళ్ళు ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఎందుకంటే అప్పుడు తెలుసు ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా ఇన్ని కంట్రీ అంటే కళ్ళు ముందు కనపడుతుంది అనమాట. ఫిగర్స్ వాళ్ళ ఒక ఇది స్టిక్కర్స్ వాళ్ళ ఒక ఫ్లాగ్స్ 30 years ముందే నేను కూడా ఒక వరల్డ్ వైడ్ సెంటర్ తీసి పెట్టుకుంటున్నాను. ఏ ఫ్లాగ్స్ నాకు ఒక ఐడియా ఉంది. ఇది ఇంకా కూడా ఆ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఇంకా బాగుంది. నేను బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నాను. మరి ఈ వర్డ్స్ ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, ఎక్కువైతే మాట్లాడలేదు కదా. మరి ఎందుకంటే మీరు అందరూ కూడా బాగా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ తెలియకపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడే ఉంటున్నారంటే ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో మరి బాగా ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పరంగా కానీ మరి వాళ్ళ ఒక టాలెంట్ని బట్టి బాగానే జీవిస్తున్నారు. వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా మరొకసారి పిల్లలందరూ కూడా ఆశీర్వాదం పెట్టుకుంటూ మరి వీళ్ళు ఇంకా కూడా పైకి రావాల్సి ఇంకా పొలిటికల్ కానివ్వండి వాళ్ళ అఫీషియల్ లెవెల్ కూడా ఏది కూడా వాళ్ళు నచ్చిన రంగంలో వాళ్ళు వచ్చేదానికి ఇప్పుడు నా యొక్క ఫుల్ ఆశీర్వాదం ఈరోజు చేస్తున్నాను. మరి అందరూ కూడా ఈ యొక్క అవకాశం ప్రజలందరూ కూడా పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు. జై హింద్. సార్ ప్రత్యేక థ్యాంక్ ఎందుకంటే మన ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ప్రత్యేక వచ్చున్నారు నుంచి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయినా.
Let me say my heartful thanks to our beloved Sarpanch Arvind Garu and Panchayat members for attending this program and blessing the students. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Really, I miss you a lot. At present, I am not believing that I relieved from the school. I am very proud. So many presidents and so many foreign ministers born in the ZPS Stharam. ఇంతమంది ప్రెసిడెంట్లు, ఇంతమంది విదేశీ మంత్రులు మా పాఠశాలలో పుట్టినందుకు నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. And at the same time, I'm very happy today. Why? Because I attended this valuable program. G20, the group of 19 countries. I think at present this international summit going on under the leadership of rotating presidency by India. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ భారతదేశం యొక్క నాయకత్వంలో జరుగుతాం. మరి ఇప్పుడే బ్రెజిల్ కంట్రీకి ఈ యొక్క లీడర్షిప్ ఇవ్వబడుతుందని ఇందాకే మన నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారు హత్తుకొని బ్రెజిల్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ని వారికి ఈ యొక్క G20 యొక్క సింబల్ అన్నది దాన్ని అందించారు. మరి ఈ రోజున కేవలము పుస్తకాల్లో ఉండేటువంటి పాఠ్యాంశాలను చదవడమే కాకుండా గ్రామాన్ని, అలాగే జిల్లాని, అలాగే రాష్ట్రాన్ని, అలాగే దేశాన్ని, అలాగే ప్రపంచంలో ఉండేటువంటి అన్ని దేశాలను గురించి అర్థం చేసుకునేటువంటి అవకాశం మామూలుగా టీవీలో చూస్తుంటాము. ఇంత క్లోజ్గా ఇంత పిక్చరైజేషన్ మా కళ్ళ ముందు G20 సమావేశం జరుగుతున్నట్టుగా ఈ సమ్మిట్ని చూపించడంలో దీని వెనకాల చాలా కృషి ఉంది. సోషల్ మేడమ్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్గా కరుణశ్రీ మేడం కానీ వీళ్ళందరికీ సపోర్ట్గా మొత్తం టీమ్ జడ్పీ గర్ల్స్ హై స్కూల్ టీచర్స్ టీమ్ మేమేం చేసినా కూడా అందరూ కలిసి చేస్తాం సార్. అది డెఫినెట్గా మేడం సోషల్ కదా అది. ఓకే. ఓహో. స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు అవర్ beloved biology madam, Karanasri madam, for performing such a great picturization. Now we are seeing a great picturization before us. So for giving such a opportunity to us, once again I blessing all my students. You will have a bright future. You have to understand all countries and their traditions and customs. And at the same time, closing my speech, once again I thanks to every teacher of Jeffrey Girls High School and giving this venue by the Jeffrey Boys High School. On this occasion, once again I convey my thanks to the Suresh Garu for giving such a accommodation to our school. Thank you one and all. This opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our teacher, please come give a few words.